Are you here in the US on a work visa and your employment has either ended, you were laid off, or you were terminated, and you want to know what's going to happen and how long you can stay in the US? Well, I'm going to answer that question for you. Hi, I'm Andrea Szew, and I'm the managing attorney for Szew Law Group here in Los Angeles, California. I've been doing immigration for over 17 years, and I put together these videos so you can get clear, straightforward, and reliable answers to your immigration questions. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit that bell to make sure that you're notified every time there's a new video that comes out. Now let's get the answer to your question. If I'm in the United States on a work visa and now I'm no longer working for that employer for some reason, either I was terminated or the job ended or I was laid off, then I'm now out of status because I'm not working for who I should have been working for when I entered the country. Now, usually there is a 60-day grace period after that has happened. And during that 60-day grace period, you're supposed to get your belongings together to exit the country. Now, after that 60 days, or really during that 60 days, you start accruing something called unlawful presence. If you have too much unlawful presence, you're going to be barred from returning to the United States. And how much time is that? Well, if you're here for more than 180 days in unlawful status, accruing unlawful presence, then you're going to be barred from coming back in for 3 years. If you're in the United States for more than a year in that status, then you're going to be barred from coming back in for 10 years. So both of those situations are not good. And the only way to overcome those bars is to apply for a waiver at the consulates abroad. Therefore, you want to get out of the country as soon as possible once your job has ended that you entered the country to perform. Now, there is a possibility that during that 60-day grace period, you can change to a different employer and then switch your visa over to that person, called a change of status to a different employer. But it's always better to do that, and it's preferable to do that before your employment has ended with the current employer. So the goal here is not to accrue any unlawful presence in the United States, and if you have to, keep it to under 60 days so you do not get subject to any bars in the future. Now, if you like this video and you had good information from it, please don't forget to subscribe, and also don't forget to hit that little bell to be notified of our next video coming up. Have a good day, enjoy, be safe, and talk to you next time.